Oh my god, this is a whole ass mess. Wait a second. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to see you back, but today we're going to do a makeup look for the holidays, for New Year's Eve. If you're going to party, please social distance, make sure you're safe and thinking about your health and everybody else's. But we're going to be talking makeup. I haven't done a makeup look in a long time and I'm really happy to be doing this makeup look for you guys with all the steps, and you guys know how much I love a red lip. We haven't had parties this year, but I'm definitely missing the red lip out and about. This is gonna be a very easy one. Let me know what you think about this look, if you're going to recreate it or anything. And yeah, let's get right into it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know where you're going to be spending your New Year's Eve or any holiday party. Is it with family? Is it with colleague? Is it with friends or anything? So yeah, I will see you guys in a second. So I have my little panda bandana on me so that I can have, you know, my hair out of my face, and I have my little makeup cart. I don't know if you can see it, but I got it from IKEA and I absolutely love it. It's the best way for me to store my makeup, because now that I can, you know, have my videos filmed elsewhere, I can just grab it from the bathroom and just put it back when I'm done, instead of like having to like grab all of my makeup. And also, if I am looking down, it's because I have another camera here so that I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm excited to have this holiday makeup for you guys. It's very simple, it's nothing crazy or anything, but it's definitely very festive, and it cannot be festive without a red lip. So you guys know that I'm gonna end up with a red lip if you watch the intro. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to sanitize my hands because they're Rona, but also because I have very sensitive skin and literally the tiniest bacteria on my skin is a pimple. I'm going to clean my skin first of all with Bioderma for sensitive skin. It is my favorite thing ever. It's literally just clean water for your skin. And then the second step, I'm going to use a toner from the brand Zen. It's a Spanish brand and it's a hydrating toner that has hyaluronic acid in it, which if you know about hyaluronic acid. It's very, very hydrating and it locks the hydration into the skin. I'm kind of scared to put it all over my face, but I just love the glow that it puts on my face because I have very, very, very dry skin. So after these two things, I am going to even out my skin tone with this instant anti-age eraser from Maybelline. This is a really good concealer. I really like it. My Revlon beauty blender is in the bathroom. So I'm just gonna blend my concealer with my... This is from Revlon and it's supposed to be like the beauty blender, and I actually really like it. I know that other brands tried to have like a fake beauty blender and it was so hard. You could not blend with it. No pun intended. I'm spending my New Year's Eve with my family because 2020 made me, you know, grow much closer to my family, but also it made me appreciate family much more. Not that I didn't appreciate them before, but I just feel like ending my very hard year with family. It's just like, it feels so good to think about it. It wasn't that hard. I don't know how was your year. So I'm going to even out my skin tone even more with the Dream Satin BB cream. I'm using a BB cream just because I don't feel like I feel like it's dewy, it's light, and I don't want to have like a thick foundation on my skin. But if you know of any really great thick foundations or like full coverage foundations, please let me know of a good one. But like, no, I don't want a Garnier or a Maybelline or any of those brands, just because I know that I've tried them before and they were not good for my acne, for my skin. So I don't want any of those. So if you know of any other brand that people don't go to a lot, but it's really good and like doesn't break you out, please tell me, what do you use? So I was saying I'm spending New Year's Eve with my family, and to me 2020 was not like a super hard year, especially putting it into perspective, comparing it to like other people, like how the state of the world was and the pandemic and everything. So I definitely know like I'm in a much more privileged situation, and I'm very grateful for it. But at the same time, it was definitely a life-changing year. That's for sure. I can say that for myself. I know it was life-changing for a lot of people. It just put everything into perspective. The one thing that I can say I changed this year is being even more true to myself. Like I am less of a people pleaser now than I used to be. I just wanted everyone to just feel great and not care about me. And I realized that I need to care about myself, and I deserve other people to care about me. We got real deep real quick. But so to prep my eyes, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is a very OG type of product. Where are you spending New Year's Eve? Because I feel like it's, obviously I highly recommend social distancing and being careful, knowing that you're in a very safe environment, so all that shiz. So to have like a base, a matte base for my eyes, I'm going to use Pregame, talk about New Year's Eve. I'm going to use the eyeshadow Pregame on the Naked Basics palette. I absolutely love this palette, and I am so happy that I bought it. I got it during a work trip in Germany, and I was, you know, it was while all the Naked palettes were like the hype of makeup, YouTube makeup, you know what I mean? I feel like this basics one, especially for me, because your girl is a basic bitch, so it's easy for me to use it every day. It's just a flat brush, nothing crazy. But I'm excited to use this water-based glitter eyeshadow that I bought a while ago. Then I'm going to use the brush that comes with the palette. I think it's an amazing one for the crease. For the crease, I'm going to use Faith and Lockout. Both of them, these are the colors, Faith and Lockout, just because Faith is a little bit light, and then I want to add a little bit of a dark brown into it so that I can define my crease a little bit better. I absolutely love using these shadows, and I think they're great, and bring it towards my nose, like the outer eye. I'm using a cool brown shade. I like to add it, like bring it out a little bit and just define the top of my nose with it. It acts like a contour type thing, especially when it's a cool brown, because it's really great for sculpting your face. So I kind of like bring it out into the top of my nose and like bring it a little bit down, you know? Just kind of like starting the bronzing and the sculpting. I'm not going crazy because we're gonna sculpt later. I'm not bringing the eyeshadow a little bit down. I'm just keeping it right on top, right here, just in the crease. And I want to define it a little bit in a harsh way. I don't want it to be completely blended. Okay, so this is the easy part, and I highly recommend that you do this, is getting liquid eyeshadows. I'm a little bit nervous using these because this is the first time for me that I'm going to be using them for, like, I played with them a little bit. They are very liquidy, it's like liquid gold, and I bought them from Kiko. This is a Spanish brand, I believe, and I got it when I was in Portugal. But these are the colors. I'm going to try and have a close-up for you guys, but these are the both of the colors. So one is a lighter gold, and then the other one is a bronze gold. So this is what makes this look super easy, is the fact that you have your eyeshadow as a liquid and you're just gonna apply it, and it's like you're gonna apply a liquid lipstick like on your lips. You're gonna use it on your lid. goodness, this is so good. So I created a little bit of a wing there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. I'm gonna let it dry for a second. I'm gonna grab a Q-tip before it dries completely and clean the edge right here. And now, because as you can tell, the eyeshadow is a bronze, like a burnt gold type of thing, I'm going to use Extra Bitter. I absolutely love this color for fall and winter. I die. So not all the way to the brow bone, but just a little bit to create some kind of a transition. This time we're going to clean the wing. I'm now going to take this pre-game color that I put all over the lid in the beginning and put it right on my brow bone and under my brows all the way. And don't be afraid to touch your brows because we're gonna brush them. Then I'm going to be putting some eyeliner. I'm using this NYX Epic Ink Liner that I've been using for a year now, and I just love it. I'm going to absolutely do a wing because we're being dramatic and it's the holidays and it's probably New Year's Eve as well, so why the hell not? And I don't know if I can do it on camera. I'm gonna, oh, you can still see me. Okay, so you can see me. It's just that I need to focus. I need to focus, especially now that we have a structure with our eyeshadow look. So it's very important to follow that structure. Whatever we cleaned and made it sharp, that's where the wing is going, okay? It's different than not having anything on and just putting eyeliner to go to work. This sharp wing. The only thing that I'm missing for this tutorial is fake lashes, and I don't have them. I have fake lashes. I also have the Duo eyelash glue, but the problem is I have individual fake lashes, and they are one hell of a task. So I don't have full-on sets, so I'm not going to put them on right now. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to be using a combination of these two. This is the Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme Leather Black Perfecto. I absolutely love this one. I'm also going to use the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl little mini mascara that I have. And the brush is really nice, and it creates lots of volume and touches every single lash. And then this one is for the length of my lashes. Make sure you give it some time and energy because the lashes really do change a look. Also, if the mascara touches your lid, I saw Kylie Jenner's makeup artist say that you should let it dry, even if it's like on your very perfect eyeshadow look. Let it dry, it's fine. And then you take a dry Q-tip and then it removes just the mascara. It doesn't remove your shadow. So I know it's annoying. It is really good for volume and the length, and it just touches all the curl of the brush. Makes it easier to go in for these small lashes outside and inside. Okay, now we're going to move on finally to, and then I'm going to be using this angled brush for my bronzer, and I'm going to be using this bronzer from the Contour and Blush palette from BH Cosmetics. My skin tone definitely requires a cool brown and not a warm brown, and I'm so extremely white in December and I don't fake tan, so if you fake tan, then more power to you. I want to try it, but I feel like, I don't know, I'm not very courageous with it. Under your lips so that it gives a full lip illusion. Your nose, Do not forget your nose. I don't do any crazy contour, but I definitely love to do the cheek contour. If you have like anything, you know, low cut for your party or anything, don't forget to contour your boobs. For the lips, so we're going for a red lip. This is a Golden Rose Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick, kiss proof. If it's a party, it's a good party. Corona, oh my god, no. Number 9, my favorite number. How funny. My favorite color with my favorite number. But also I have, so this one is an amazing one. I don't know, I 100% have a picture with it, so I'm going to insert a picture here because I wanted to give you an affordable red lip. This is amazing, it's affordable. I'm gonna have the website that I got it from linked down below. You can order online, so that's great. But today I want to try this mini Dior lipstick that I haven't had the opportunity to have it on. Okay, so I do have a red lip pencil. So this is the Kiko one, 515. It's a little of a pinkish red, so make sure you know that when you go buy it. And this is a very deep red. Also, if your lips are dry, it's harder to correct with the lip pencil, so make sure you have chapstick on before you do it. If you want to overline your lips, girl, go for it. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube. I like it. It's very hydrating. It's very light. I like it. This is my favorite shade of red. It's a little blue tone, right? My last step is this NYX HD Finishing Powder, mineral based, that I'm going to have in highlighting spaces, which I'm going to kind of highlight with and mattify my skin with. I feel like bronzer is definitely enough for me, but I don't want it to be too much. Alright, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. Let me know if you're going to recreate it. Maybe tag me on Instagram if you do. Enjoy your rest of the year, ladies and gents, and I hope I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.